Hello everyone. Before using grep function in NSCaster, click on this gear up button. Inside here, you can set the directory you want to save. In this video, I'll be using desktop. After that, click OK. You can set the file name, for example, tutorial. You can let it add to DDR automatically by tick them. After that, click OK. To start using grep, click on this scissors icon. As you can see, the BGM screenshot is added into DDR1 and DDR2. So let's go to the directory we set just now. The screenshot is at here. Besides that, you can also share it on your social media such as Facebook. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.